What's up YouTube? So we're here with a quick video for you guys. I'm going to show you guys on how to fix the fan always running issue that commonly occurs on the BK2 2.0s and 3.8s. What we're going to be doing first is disconnecting our battery, of course. You guys might already have it off because the fan won't turn off unless you disconnect the battery. And we're going to be coming right over here where the ECU and TCU are at. The reason why we're over here is because if you look right along here, there's relays. Those two relays are for your fan motor relays, okay? Pretty much what happens is the relay will stay closed at a closed loop, causing the fan to stay on all the time, having power from the battery. So, or in other words, it's called sticking. But what we're gonna be doing though is I'm gonna show you guys how to get access to it and to replace those relays. So, first step, remove the positive battery terminal. Second step, coming over here, and we're simply just going to be pressing down this tab, pulling up on that. Okay, and we're going to pull up this right here. Same thing, pull this green tab down, pull this clip up like so, just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing to this one right here. Push it down, and we're going to pull up just like that. And boom, your connectors are off for the ECU and TCU. If you guys want to know, up here is your TCU, and then right here with these two connectors are your ECU. And then you're gonna see 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts that you're gonna need to take out. This one's missing right there, but a 10mm nut goes right there. So we have 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts that we're gonna take off, and then that's gonna allow you to remove the ECU and TCU from this area. All right guys, so as you can see, the relays are back here. Usually they're in this little boot right here, and it's held in by a 10mm bolt that goes along the chassis wall right here. But I already had taken it out. But yes, the relays are right here. So what we're gonna be doing is grabbing them. And you can see there's a tab on this side and there's a tab on that side. You literally just get a flathead and put it in between the tab and pull up on it like that. And then do the vice versa on this side. Or if you got nails too, like me, you can just use your nails for it. Okay, and boom. Just like that, the relay comes out. In case you guys are wondering what relays you need to swap these out with, there is a part number on this one. And then here is the part number on this one. These are pretty universal as far as getting these relays, because you can get them at AutoZone or O'Reilly's, Advanced Auto Parts, and they're typically $15, $18 for them. So you can literally fix this issue same day if it were to happen to you with some basic tools. So that's the good thing about doing it yourself. You know, save yourself at least like $300 or $400 from taking it to the dealership, having it diagnose it, and then swapping out a relay that takes less than 10 minutes to do. So definitely DIY friendly. Anyone can really do this with some basic tools. That's the whole point of me making this video for you guys, so you guys can do it yourself. But anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and throw in this new relay in place and put everything back together, turn the car on, and make sure the fan doesn't stay on. All right, we got the car on. I'm pretty much gonna let it idle till the fan kicks on. I know you guys can't see it, but the fan is moving right now. And the car is off, battery's plugged in, and the fan is not staying on anymore. So swapping out the relay was our answer. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this quick YouTube video. Again, save yourself the money, guys. If you go to the dealership, this is quoted at $496, I think, that I had saw on the forums. So yeah, you definitely don't want to spend $496 just to change out a relay that you can do by yourself with some basic hand tools in under 10 minutes. So again, hope you guys like this quick video. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below. Leave a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to the channel, please. Thank you guys. Peace out.